Well, good morning, everybody. We start on the radar picture. We are looking for some activity here, need some showers. Getting close to 15.5 inches behind schedule with rainfall in Tallahassee. Maybe we get some better chances over the weekend. I think our rain chances will improve a whole bunch by Sunday, and that's going to have a lot more to do with what's going on to our south and east. For today, maybe a couple of sprinkles possible from the east. That's what the Futurecast shows us, but those chances still kind of slim like they were yesterday, and that likely means most of us aren't going to get wet. I still see a bunch of that drier air upstairs in the atmosphere. That's what we're looking at here on the water vapor imagery, these darker colors, and there should be enough for another day, maybe two, to limit those shower opportunities until some things change, and those things should start changing by Saturday. It's 68 right now in Thomasville. We're at 70 in Valdosta, one of the warmer spots, Tallahassee at 74. Not a lot of breeze out there today. The main wind direction will be northeast and east. We see a 66 in Blakely, another 68 in Monticello and in Homerville. We're at that point in the year now where 69 is your average morning low temperature, so we should start seeing more 60s. We'll get there. But I think for today and probably the next few days, still going to be a lot more 70s than 60s. And I still think there's going to be a little bit more sunshine today than clouds, which means our daytime highs are going to be able to crank on up. But over the next few days, we'll be watching down here towards Cuba. We see a whole bunch of convection, maybe over the southeastern Bahamas. And if there's going to be some energy, we've got this trough of lower pressure that kind of slides across the southeastern Bahamas and parts of Cuba. Now, over the next 24 to 48 hours, this is going to start moving back towards the west. And even if it never develops, and it's possible that it doesn't, that moisture, that energy is going to go someplace, and that likely will be across the Florida Peninsula and maybe even up towards the Gulf Coast, which means our rain chances are going to improve. There is a little bit more energy way across the Atlantic. Got plenty of time to watch that. We've got plenty of time to watch this energy that hasn't developed into anything yet and may never do so. But it could, and we'll certainly keep our eyes on it for you. Winds on the Gulf today out of the northeast and east 10 to 20, going to get a little bit breezy and stay that way for the next several days as that tropical energy works its way towards the Gulf. Low tides up first this morning around 7:30. 60s and 70s, call it partly cloudy and muggy. Sun comes up at 7:20 officially. This afternoon, I think we're going to make the mid-90s again. We're on a run of like 5 straight days of 95 or higher. I think today makes 96. And then after today, with limited rain chances, things should start to change a little bit. Low 70s for most of us again overnight tonight, a little bit more muggy. And as we go through our Friday and Saturday, with a little bit more cloud cover, slightly better chances for showers, maybe we can hold those daytime highs down. The rain chances crank up the highest, I think, by Sunday, Monday, and that's because that tropical moisture should be at least moving this way, even if it never turns into anything more classifiable or organizable. I do think at least that moisture means better rain chances for us.